Most B&B owners think guests book based on price or photos, but the real decision happens in seconds and is driven by emotion, not logic. If you don't understand how guests actually choose a B&B, you'll keep attracting the wrong guests or none at all. Ever feel like your B&B should be getting more bookings, but it's just not happening? You've got good rooms, great service, solid reviews, but here's the twist. Most B&B owners are focused on the wrong things, and it's quietly costing them bookings every single week. I'm going to show you in this video what guests are actually looking for and how to make your place the obvious choice. Hi, I'm Jerry McPherson, and I've spent over 30 years in hospitality, and I help B&B owners get more bookings and less stress without guessing what works. In the next couple of minutes, I'm going to walk you through why guests don't choose the best B&B, what they're actually deciding in those first few seconds, and one simple shift that makes your B&B easier to book. And by the end, you'll know exactly how to make your place feel like the right choice. So guests don't always pick the best. They pick what feels right. You think guests are comparing you logically? Price versus value, room size versus location, breakfast versus amenities? And it would be fair for you to think so. That's how you run the business. So you can assume that's how guests choose. But they don't. Guests make emotional decisions first and then justify them later. They scroll, they click, they decide, usually in seconds. Think about the last place you booked. You didn't analyze 10 listings like a spreadsheet. Something just felt right, so you clicked. That's a small shift. Stop trying to be the best and start trying to feel right. Now, here's something a lot of B&B owners miss. Guests don't remember features. They remember how the place felt before they even arrived. Clarity beats choice every time. And here's the second mistake. Trying to appeal to everyone. Families, couples, solo travelers, business guests, all at once. Because you don't want to miss out on bookings. Fair enough. But here's what actually happens. You become unclear, and confused guests don't book. Clarity wins. Guests need to instantly think, hey, this place is for me. If your B&B is quiet and relaxed, say it clearly. If it's social and lively, say that clearly too. Because the wrong guest is just as costly as no guest. Simple, clear beats clever every time. When you narrow your message, you often get more bookings, not fewer. Guests choose themselves, not you. This is where it gets a little interesting. You think guests are choosing your B&B? They're not. They're choosing a version of themselves. Relaxed, romantic, adventurous, peaceful. Your job is to reflect that identity back to them. Show them who they'll be when they stay with you. Cozy countryside escape with homemade breakfast and quiet mornings? That's not a room description. That's a feeling. You're not selling a bed. You're selling a moment. I'm curious, what type of guests do you actually enjoy hosting the most? And be honest, are you clearly attracting them right now? Let me know in the comments. So let's talk about that one simple shift that could help you change. Most B&B owners try to improve everything. The photos, the pricing, the listings, the offers. But they get stuck. Because the real issue isn't the effort, it's the focus. So here's the shift. Stop trying to attract everyone. Start making it obvious who you're for. Instead of comfortable rooms in a great location, try quiet retreat for couples who want to slow down and switch off. And now a guest can say, that's exactly what I want. That's the difference. Clarity creates confidence, and confident guests book faster. And when the right guests find you, you don't need to convince them. So here are your key takeaways. Guests choose feelings, not features. Clarity beats trying to please everyone. confusion quietly kills bookings. You're selling identity, not rooms. The right message attracts the right guests. If you want help putting this into action, I recommend the free training webinar, The 5 Biggest Mistakes B&B Owners Make and How to Fix Them. It walks you through exactly how to structure your B&B so guests choose you naturally. You'll find the link in the description below. And when you're ready to go deeper, I break this down step by step in the full course. Build your B&B from dreams to doors open. Make sure you check it out. If this helped, hit the subscribe and the like button so you don't miss any future episodes. And if you like what we're doing, feel free to buy us a coffee. It helps keep us motivated. In the next video, I'm going to move into control. I'm going to talk about your direct booking strategy. It's simple and doable because once your guests choose you, the next step is getting them to book direct. You don't need to have it all figured out. You just need the right next step. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.